All right, welcome guys. So shout out to Cami Speed. Thanks for sending over the DAMD steering wheel for the GR86 BRZ platform. The model I got is the black on black stitching. So we're just gonna go ahead and go over the video of with my buddy Aaron. We're gonna unwrap it and do the install. Also a huge shout out to Kevin Vo and his videos. I used this video here to actually really see the install process, and all those videos are really great. You guys know. So anyways, huge shout out to you, Mr. Kevin Vo. Thank you. So here's the video. Check out this DAMD steering wheel from Cami Speed.
Package good, look at that.
Yeah.
Wrapped up. Got foam on it. There she is.
Huh.
Put that on that side.
Son of a ding dong.
Ta-da!
How's it feel?
It feels pretty nice. Thickness wise. But man, it looks pretty sharp.
Sheesh.
Got a nice grip on it. You know?
Slightly thicker, yeah.
This is kind of like real smooth, but this is more like
Textured.
like textured, so you can grip it better.
So now here is the steering wheel. So, I mean, the first thing I noticed right away is like the feeling, this textured feeling. Oh man, it's definitely much more grippy than the factory. The factory is very smooth. In addition, this is thicker. And you know, the factory one is pretty thin. This is a lot thicker. And then on top of that, behind it, there's these little grooves for your fingers to really grip. You know, as you're turning, let me start the car up here. Yeah, as you're turning, you have these little finger grooves that feel really nice. And there's no grooves behind the flat bottom piece, but on the outside edge there is. I'm very happy with the quality. And it's nice. And I did try to drive it with just like driving gloves on if I was at the track. Still got really good grip. So the gloves themselves also have sort of like a grippy material, so that in addition to this made it very, very nice. One thing that I will say, this is the black, the model that I have is it's black on black, so it's got the black centerpiece, black stitching. and so it's all black. So it's very OEM plus looking. You know, the biggest difference between factory is it's smaller in diameter. It is the D-shaped, and it's also thicker. So, I mean, these are all, I think, pluses in my opinion, and it just feels more premium than the factory wheel. This is awesome. So, I mean, that's pretty much just a quick overview. And like I said, the automatic versions have the paddle shifters, but everything transfers over just fine. I love this. This is sexy. All right, and that was pretty much it. That's a quick overview of that. Like I said, everything is pretty straightforward. Once I get the alignment done, everything should be good. But I love the steering wheel. I did have to transfer over the clips, the airbag clips over from the factory to the new one, and they snapped right in. Other than that, very happy with the product, love it. And if you want to check it out or pick yourself up one, head over to the shop Cami Speed and use the code FujiBo. Anytime you check out, every time you will get a discount that will help me. It will also help you, and yeah, we all win there. But yes, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.